While all of Metro Manila's workforce take a break because of Apec Metro Manila holidays, PLDT Antipolo is at work. PLDT responds to a customer's request to transfer his router's location. 3 shy technicians install fiber optics.
Kaya naman, sir.
PLDT's prompt and cheerful response deserves a video essay.
Video pa, sir.
The router is originally located in the main house living room and it is to be transferred to the back annex house.
Kasi ganun mo na lang. Iabot na lang natin doon, Chess. Tapos mag-ano tayo ng nasa taas.
The crew decides that the best way to do so is to install a new connection which will go over the roof of the main house all the way to the annex house.
Press nyo. Dito tayo mag-go, JB. Paano kasi yung sa repair natin ba?
O, tie wrap ko na. Mahaba na to. Yes.
Oo, sir. Sobra-sobra na sa baba, sir. Ay?
Hindi.
Oo, sir.
Mag-drill na lang tayo ng ano dyan.
Corner bracket.
Corner bracket. Matatanggal mo yung bracket dyan.
Oo, sir.
Drill na lang tayo dyan. Basta to eh. Ano ko na to. Fix ko na to.
Makita kayo dun sa kabila, sir.
The annex house is now being converted into the Philippine Corporate Address Book's Bloggers Studio. The 3 industrious service crew are
Sir, at saka ano? Galing ko na to.
Sean Chester Lagdameo, Marlo Papas, and Denver De Vera.
Okay na ba dyan, sir? Chess, ano? Ayun na?
Tigil ka muna rito sa Denver. Tingnan mo na natin kung kasama sa Pldt. Dito na lang tayo.
Yan pa.
Kanan pa. Kanan.
Yan.
Kanan pa konti. Yan.
Naka-video ka, Chess, ha? Galingan mo, ha?
Kanan mo, Chess.
Tatamaan ba sa loob, sir?
Wala.
Diretso ko pa?
Okay.
In addition to the jovial afternoon brought about by PLDT technicians Marlo's, Chester's, and Denver's prompt and cheerful service, they also made this Apec holiday an education in communications technology.
Yeah. Splicing.
Marlo, the team's leader, was very perceptive that not so many customers, including the Philippine corporate address book, have actually seen fiber optics. He suggested to me to videograph the peeling of the fiber's coating before it is permanently installed. He also explained that light signals are transmitted to the fiber, and through light, PLDT delivers voice, internet, video, and cable television services.
Yan ang isa. Kaya pinabalatan pa to.
Sigat ka niyan dyan.
Para makita ni sir yung nipis. Ayan na. Kita niyo pa. Hindi na makita ni sir. Ayan. Kita pa dyan sa video. Ayan na ang fiber optic. Bali ilaw yung umaano dyan.
I was prepared to wait for 3 weeks, but PLDT attended to my need in less than 3 hours. On this Apec holiday, I was assured convincingly by PLDT's Marlow, Chester, and Denver that the company is true to their promise of changing lives by serving me well and showing me fiber optics.